All right, so as you're reviewing your notes, this is what your notes should look like. Fossils are the remains or traces of life that are preserved in rock. They are only found in sedimentary rock. If you're receiving this as a video, you'll probably want to pause the video a couple of times to complete your digital notebook. Here are the 4 types of fossils. We've got mold fossils, as shown in the far left. They are formed when organisms are covered in mud, the mud hardens, and then water enters and dissolves the organism. So it's like an imprint. Casts are made from molds. So now you've got this empty space and minerals will deposit and form a cast from it. Trace fossils are formed from markings left by animals. And then sometimes organisms are preserved in things like tar or ice or amber. And that's the original preservation, preserved remains. Index fossils, you want to copy all of this information down. Index fossils are widespread geographically, limited to a short span of geologic time, occur in large numbers. They help identify the age of rocks through correlation. And the presence of an index fossil in rock layers at different locations means the rock layers are about the same age. All right, so for tomorrow, friends, we have a video for you to watch, Prehistoric Life. I would answer these questions at the end of the video. It asks for 3 things that were confirmed and 3 things you learned. So I would do this part at the end and then answer these as you're watching. Okay, so about 15 questions from this video, Prehistoric Life. That's tomorrow's assignment. And then Friday's work is visiting 4 websites, looking at different parts of geologic time that we've kind of studied as we're wrapping up this unit. So the first place has you looking at rock layers and rock units and placement of fossils. Then we move to the geologic time scale. So again, looking at that a little bit more. Then it's some more about fossils. I particularly like this question here, where it says to look at the 6 characteristics that can be determined by examining fossil footprints. And then the last one is looking at energy. So we're looking at these fossil fuels and thinking about renewable and non-renewable resources a little bit. So a little bit of a recap of our study of geologic time. So our to-do list looks like this. Today's assignment is an assignment number 44. You can stay if you are here on the Zoom and work on this. Thursday's work is the eyewitness video and some questions. And then Friday, you've got a scavenger hunt.